Hi, this is a quick video on how we save and share using OneDrive on both a Fulton County computer and also another computer, or when you're on Microsoft Word online. So say I'm on my Fulton County Schools computer in Microsoft Word and I typed up this long thing about this is a test and I want to save it. You have to pay attention on your Fulton County Schools computer, because if you don't, you will save it to your computer. So we go to File, and then we go to Save As like normal. But you see that I have options. I can do OneDrive, I could do this PC. So I want to make sure that I click OneDrive, Fulton County Schools, and then I enter my file name like normal, and I click Save. Once it saves, you're going to see a few things. You're going to see up here where the name of the file is that it says Save to OneDrive Fulton County Schools. That tells you that it is online. You're also going to see this nice little autosave button. I leave mine on. This makes sure that even if your computer were to die in the middle of you working, that it's going to save a recent version and automatically upload. Now I also am a little paranoid, so I still always click the save button just to make sure that I have saved it and it makes me feel better. Now say I want to share this with a coworker or a colleague. You're going to go to File and click Share, and you're going to get this nice little screen. You can type emails in this box and they'll send them a link. However, unless you know their email or you email them a lot, it's going to pull up everybody in Fulton County. So I click Outlook to open, and you can get a link that they can open online, or when you go File, Share, if you click Send a Copy, you can pick PDF or a Word document so that they actually get a document. And if I send a Word document, I can send it to my colleague. She's not going to understand why she's getting this, but I'm going to send it to her. And you type in the email and you click Send, and it is now sent to that person. When you are online, you can do the exact same thing. When you open a new document, the difference between being on your Fulton County computer and being online, whether you're on your Fulton computer online or on another computer, is when you type anything, you get it automatically saves as a document, and then you can update the name by clicking on Document and changing its name, and then clicking off and it changes the name. And you still do the exact same thing to save. You go to File, up to Share, you go to File and Share. You can share with people, or you can embed it on your website. So you do with people, and online you can only send it as a link. You can't actually send it as a regular document like we are used to, but the person can open it and download it as a document. And this is how we share and save on OneDrive. Thanks.